Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to discuss about list comprehensions in Python. List comprehensions are nothing but internally for loops. Suppose that I give you an exercise to make a list of numbers from 1000 to 1. How you are going to do this task? One obvious way is to make a list as I have made on the screen. Then you can run a for loop. Starting from 1000 and ending at 1, that means I am going to write 0 since the last value is always to be ignored. Now since it is a decreasing series, so I am going to write the offset as -1. And you can simply write ls.append the number. You can easily cross-check that the list is correct consisting of the correct numbers starting from 1000 and ending at 1. But Python is quite different when it comes to comparison between C, C++ and in Java. You can easily create this list by preserving the code comprehensibility as well as make the code more compact and concise. You can simply write ls is equals to x for x in range 1000 0 -1. This statement is perfectly equal to these statements. What it does is that it creates a list which is indicated by the subscript operator. It populates this list by number x, where x is in range 1000 to 0 with offset of -1. Let me again print this list. You can see that the list is the same from 1000 to 1. Now you can say that I had already created the list above and now I am doing the same for this. How I can check that these two methods, one via the for loop and the other via the list comprehensions, are equivalent and the same. For this verification, I will make another code. Suppose I create a list ls1. You can also use the constructor list. This is equivalent to writing this. Perfectly fine. I will run a for loop for underscore in range 1000 to 0 to -1. ls1 dot append underscore. This is the for loop method. Now the Pythonic way is that I create another list ls2 and I write underscore in range underscore for underscore in range 1000 to 0 and with the offset of -1. Now to check that the contents of ls2 and ls1 are the same, I will just have to write ls1 is equal ls2, which is true. We can again cross verify this by printing the lists. This is my list 1 and this is my list 2. So now I hope that you got the basic understanding of how the list comprehensions work. To summarize this lecture, you can say that the Pythonic way is that you should use the list comprehensions, but these list comprehensions are unique to this language and may not be known to your coworker. So to enhance readability, sometimes the programmer prefers the usual way of writing the for loop, although both the methods are equivalent. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. You can comment, you can share the video. Thank you.